Now, these are two types of tick remover that we sell. There's two different main designs. This one here, slightly more complex, works like a pen, and what you can do is apply it around the tick and push the button, and that will pull the tick out. It's important to take it from the base, not from the top, and that will be very effective, and it just takes it from the bottom. This one's here is slightly different. There's two sizes in the pack, and with this one you put it right at the base of the tick and you twist it around, and that's how you remove it. So the important thing with any tick remover is to remove it from the base, not to pull it from the top. So you can't use tweezers and things like this. These are simple, easy things to put in a pet first aid kit, but also, just because we're looking here mainly at pets, it'll also remove a tick if you get one on yourself as well. You can get hold of these directly on the website at firstaidonline.co.uk or contact us on supplies@protrainings.uk.